Hello everyone, welcome to the Power BI course. In visualization series, we are going to learn few more visuals today, and they are our card visuals. So we have a single card visual, we have multi-row card visual, and now since mid of this year, we have this multi cards in a single container, the new card visual as well. So first of all, why do you need a card? So most of the time when you create the report, there are some important numbers which you wanted to showcase that they grab the attention easily from the audiences. And so you use the card, and most of the time you will see that on the report, the card shows in a big numbers on the top of the page on the report. So that is the reason you use the card. Now, the new card, you can see that it allows so many features we will learn in a few minutes, but mainly they allow to add the image on the card. As you can see, I put it image here. There is a custom display unit that you can use, so you can use the units the way you want, and then they are now grouped, so they are in one container. And still you can format them, as you can see here, separate cards. So let's get started. I'm going to open the Power BI, and we are going to use a couple of important numbers from our sales table. Okay, so let me get the card first. So here, as you can see, we have 3 cards, and these 2 we already using since long, but this is the new card. Now this new card, once it is fully developed, then as per Microsoft, that these 3 cards, including KPI, they will be replaced by this new card. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to click on card, and let's put it data here. So I'm just going to put it this gross margin number. Okay, so that is that, and let's format that card. We can't do much here. It's just one number. So let's format that, and let's see size and style. So first section is size of the visual and position of the visual. So that, and now padding. So if you wanted to increase, you can increase the padding on 4th side. As this picture here, it's going to increase the padding here. So your number will push if you increase the padding on the left side. Let's increase it. So as you can see, your number is moving from the left to center. So that is about the padding. Let's check another thing, then the background. So you can change the background color, and let's put it this color. So that is the background. You can put it on transparent as well. The visual border, you can use the color like black color it has. You can use whatever the color you want for the border. Again, you can use for the rounded corners as well. So now my visual has a rounded corners. Okay, so that the shadow, you can turn it on, and you can change the color of shadow itself as well. But for shadow, this color is okay, but you can change the color if you like. If you want, you can put it inside as well, the shadow. Also, the position you can change of the shadow, like top right or the top left. So then you can have the title. Usually people don't use the title, but you can have if you want. And you can format like from text to, you can make it bold or underline. You can change the text color. You can position in center and all that. But usually people do not use the title on the card. Then the call out value. So the value formatting, you can increase font size. So your number is more like visible, and you can change the color of the fonts as well if you like. Let's put it in some different color. Yeah, so the display unit you can change from auto to anything which matches to your number. For now it's percentage, so auto is perfect. The decimal points, you can put it maybe let's say 1, so you can do that. You can turn on wrap text if you have a big number and you want. And so the category label then, so the line underneath this category, so it certainly needs to change the color. So dark gray maybe you can put it on bold, you can increase the font size, that all you can do here. So that is it on the single card visual. Now let's copy this and paste it, and I'm going to just turn it into the multi-card, and we can add more data here. So I'm going to get my some other like store counts, this regular sales then. So these three we have, let's select something else, total sales as well. So these four values we have on multi-card. If you decrease the size, then they are going to appear in like a column, and you can make like 2 and 2 as well. That we'll learn in formatting as well. So let's see on the formatting side. So the similar thing we already learned about the padding, background, visual border and shadow. So title as well, the same thing. You can turn it on the title, and you can do the formatting on the title, same as on the single card. On the call out, then you can increase the number size. You can make them bold. You can change their font color if you like. You can change the fonts itself. And where we were, call out, yeah. And so the card label, and again you can change the fonts, font size, make them bold, italic. You can make italic, and you can change the text as well itself, so it may be more visible. So and the card, let's see the card, and so the border position, so you can create the border around them. If you want, you can put it only one side. So now on this gray line we can see on the top. If you put it on all sides, they will create a box like, yeah. And if you wanted to put it only on left side, it's up to you. If it goes with your design, then you can do that. And you can change their, if you choose it, then you can change their color, their width, and the padding. So that is about the card. The accent bar then, so if you change the color, you can change the color, this accent bar, and you can change the color or width. Like if you use it, then use it with the good width so it looks good. And so that is that for the multi-row card. Now let's look at our new card. So I'm going to copy and paste again here. And so let's look at, I'm going to, while selecting this, I'm going to click on our new version of card. And so we see we had 4 values, so it already put it in the 4 different cards. And let's create a nice visual here. And let's see now how we can format this then. So again, size and style, size and position we already know. You can add the padding here. So again, the same thing if you add. You can maybe put it on 15, so you can see the padding now, what it's doing. Leave it on 5, so that you can change the background color, same thing again. Let's choose some nice color. So that is the background color, and you can put it borders around it if you want. You can, so the rounded corner borders are here. It also has the separate borders for all corners. Let's see, we might find in further. So title you can create, like it created the title here. If you want, usually on cards people do not use the title, but when you use it, then you can format the title as well. The shape then, so here you can do that, yeah. The shape, then rectangular or rounded rectangular, or the snipped tab, both tops. So those, and then you can, like with custom style as well. Let's do first round rectangular. So rounded, and you can round them further like this. If you like only this, then just leave it there. If you choose this custom style, then you can corner each side. So it's only each corner like separately. So you can do that. How beautiful it looks like. You can do this, or you can choose the way you want, you know. So like the first one. So on the top, if you do first and the third, then you will see the design which I had, the second and the third, then that design I had on my my slide. So that is the design. So this is beautiful. You can bottom left. Okay, now you can do this layout. So you can use the vertical layout. If you put it on vertical, then this card, we have a space on the right hand side. So let me put it this way. So our card now display in a vertical position. How beautiful it is. And the space between cards you can increase. Then you put it in a center alignment or the left alignment. The center is always good. So you can do these all things. You can put it on a grid if you like. So you can put it on that. So let's go back to our horizontal one and let's decrease the size. So this all you can do with this card. Let's look at the call out formatting. So here you can do for all series or you can do individual as well. So all four. So that is the nice feature. And then you can do formatting for like different way. If I wanted to increase my size of the fonts only on the store count, then you can do that. I wanted to change the color, you can do that. So that all you can do here separately or for all. And then you can change the alignment here. The display unit here is that custom. And if you have a custom, then you can use like this. You can use the format the way you want. You can have the labels on the top, so you can change their position. So I like actually in the underneath the numbers, so you can do that. You can increase the spacing, the vertical spacing. So that also a cool feature. So reference labels then. If you have anything you wanted to add here, you can add the reference label from your data. So from anything here, like see, you can see here. So that's what you can do. If you wanted to, like if you need something to display more here than the regular card, so you can do that. You can add the image as I already mentioned. So for all series, let's say image turn on, and let's browse the image. You can put it that if you want. You can change the, like I don't want normal, I want fit image, so smaller image, and then you can put it on the left hand side if you want, bottom, top, whatever you want. So you can do that. You can increase the padding. You can increase the image itself. See, all that you can do here. And lastly, the cards. So this underneath text, that also you can change for all series, for fill, border, for size, like wide or narrow. So you can see that all this is changing here. And all that formatting as we saw on the card formatting on this too, you can do all that. So the borders, you can turn it on or off. You can turn on the shadow on the cards itself. You can use the glow if you like. See, it's glowing. So you can change even the color of the glow, like can put it maybe darker or the way you want, like grayish color. Then the offset, it is outside, you can put it inside. You can put it there. You can use the accent bar same as this single and multi-row card we did. So the accent row you can turn on left hand side or the bottom. You can see here underneath the position and the width. Actually, when you increase you can see. So that no transfer. So this is the accent bar. You can put it underneath, it looks good. So all this you can do, guys, with this new card, and this is all about the cards. If you like the content of the video, then please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.